Mugaru na mwaka wa 2013 riria mutongoria wa bururi egwatire gicunje kia 40 harĩ igana gia kura cia mwena uyu. Atongoria ya riu maugite megutigirira ihinda riri kura cia mutongoria wa bururi ni ciakinya gicunje kia 70 harĩ igana.
70%. Na hiyo mama tunakuambia ya kwamba hiyo tutafikisha, sababu tumejipanga sawa sawa. Tumejipanga na wamama, tumejipanga na vijana, tumejipanga sisi wazee wenyewe.
Tuma wewe mama taifa kwa rais wetu umwambie Nyamira imechange.
Atumia aya nimaugite nimegutigirira mutongoria wa bururi ni yukia uhotani. Mutumia wa mutongoria wa bururi Margaret Kenyatta ni augite ati thirikari ya Jubilee iri na matanya ma kuhura njeki atumia kuhitukira mitaratara ya gutigirira atumia ni merugamia.
Although women have benefited from the Uwezo Fund and the Women Enterprise Fund, more needs to be done to uplift their lives. I have a message from the President that he will deliver what he committed during his visit here in June. That is to expand the funding and training for women so that they are empowered with skills and finances to start profitable businesses.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.